Hello, my name is Shaun Young, and welcome to my channel, Adventures in Wholesaling. I help aspiring and seasoned real estate investors learn how to virtually wholesale houses from anywhere in the world and create a 6 to 7 figure business using proven systems and strategies that yield consistent results. I share these strategies as a virtual coach via this YouTube channel, my other social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, podcasts that I've either been on or been the host of, and even a book that I authored entitled Adventures in Wholesaling, Let Me Show You How. I own and operate a real estate wholesaling company, a lease option company, and a virtual assistant company that provide me and my family with the financial and time freedom to travel and do the things that we love to do as a family. Listen, I didn't always have these types of freedoms. In the past, when I worked as a top-level sales executive, I was on the road for 2 to 3 days a week, unable to spend the quality time with my family that I can enjoy today. I was also the casualty of a mass layoff, which I'm sure a lot of you out there can relate to. I was able to create financial freedom and time freedom in just a few short years using real estate wholesaling and other real estate investing strategies. One of the biggest challenges that aspiring investors have achieving financial freedom is actually having a clear path to success and a game plan that's going to get them there. Especially when there are so many different directions and strategies that you could take, it could leave one confused and not taking any strategies or directions at all, which would be horrible, because it keeps amazing people such as yourself on the sidelines and out of the game from reaching your full potentials. What I've learned over the years is that being successful in wholesaling real estate and other real estate investing strategies is extremely difficult. And without the proper guidance, you're setting yourself up for failure. On this channel, you're going to learn how to do virtual real estate wholesaling as well as other creative financing strategies to get you to your goals. You're going to learn how to make a lot of money in real estate investing, even if you're new, have a limited budget, and regardless of the economy. Each week I will be uploading multiple videos, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on anything that can help you reach your financial and time freedom goals through real estate investing. So remember guys, help me, help you, help us all. I'll see you on the other side.
With this crown on my head, I'm seated on the throne. The top is so alone. Only thing that keeps me going is I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me.